To find the best countertop blenders, you'll want to determine the features that are right for you and your kitchen. We recommend that you look for a durable blender with a restaurant-grade motor and quality stainless steel blades. Make sure to also consider the material quality and the capacity of the pitcher. Look for BPA-free plastics and polycarbonate or thermally safe glass blender jar. Available accessories might also factor into your choice, as some countertop blenders come with useful features like a food processor or a set of to-go cups with lids.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best countertop blender. So let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Countertop Blender. This professional blender has blades that spin fast enough to heat up soup from friction alone, plus 10 speed settings, and a variable speed knob that allows for easy and precise adjustment. Its sophisticated BPA-free pitcher incorporates Vitamix's unique design that channels contents back toward the blades for efficient and smooth blending. While it lacks the pre-programmed options some models of personal blender offer, this is easily one of the best performing blenders for a wide variety of food and beverage prep tasks both in the kitchen and in work settings. It works for hot liquids as well as all kinds of frozen beverages and ice cream. A highly useful and convenient self-cleaning cycle is another plus, letting you fully clean the pitcher and blades in under a minute with just warm water and a spoonful of dish soap. It's a great gift for someone looking for the best blender for smoothies. Number 4. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. If you're looking for the best blender for soup and sauces, this model is definitely worth a closer look. It has a powerful motor along with dual directional blades that help avoid jams, plus an extra wide jar made from durable, impact-resistant Triton plastic. It also has a useful food processor attachment that snaps onto the motorized base in place of the usual pitcher. This slicing and dicing food processor makes it easy to prepare chopped vegetables and other ingredients for hot soups and dips. The food processor holds 5 cups and the blender jar holds 8 cups, giving it decent volume without taking up too much counter space. If home-cooked soups and sauces are your thing, this is one of the most practical and useful blenders on the market. If you need the best blender to puree food, it's an excellent choice. Number 3. Vitamix 7500 Countertop Blender. While it's not the most powerful blender you can buy in its price range, this Vitamix countertop blender stands out for its high-quality components and durable materials. A simple control layout makes it easy to use, with a manual pulse mode switch and a rotary knob that offers 10 variable speeds. A metal coupling and hardened steel blades, along with a high-capacity cooling system, let it stand up to the rigors of repeated blending. It comes with a 64-ounce blender pitcher and a specially designed tamper that helps avoid jams and ensure smooth, even blending. The lid resists leaking and splashing, and the blender jar has grooves designed to swirl contents back toward the blades for effective blending. However, if you need a blender with food processing capabilities, the best blender food processor could be a better option. Number 2. Cuisinart Hurricane Pro Countertop Blender. This professional-level countertop blender has a high-power motor that puts out 3.5 peak horsepower, a 6-bladed design that crushes ice into snow in just seconds, and BlendLogic's automatic load-sensing feature. This function provides for smooth and even blending, no matter the consistency of ingredient choices. The control panel is also a strong suit, with a clear LCD screen and programmable memory settings for your favorite frozen or ice-blended drink. In addition, this model uses a BPA-free Triton container with a generous 64-ounce capacity. The jar is dishwasher safe and has a soft grip handle for easier pouring. If you're looking for a blender specifically for both hot and cold liquids, the best blenders for hot liquids are another great option. Number 1. Vitamix Professional Series 750. This high-performance blender delivers strong durability and has excellent, easy-to-use controls including pre-programmed functions and a rotary knob for variable speeds. Power comes from a 2.2 horsepower peak motor, and the hardened steel blades can easily spin fast enough to generate friction heat for cooking soup. Like the rest of the Vitamix blenders, this model has a self-cleaning mode that saves time. In order to better fit under kitchen cabinets, this countertop blender comes with a low-profile pitcher that holds 64 ounces, allowing large batches while being just over 17 inches tall. With its proven durability, this model excels at crushing ice, blending nut butter, and grinding up tough ingredients for juices and smoothies, rivaling even the best commercial blender on the market. That was our list of the top 5 best countertop blender just for you.